I love seeing the progress of the automation in the drilling process that we have today.
For quite a few years we've been developing technology on our rigs which enables us to automate sequences which previously was done manually.
I think the automated drilling system is a big improvement. It's a good investment both for the safety of the people in the red zone and for efficiency.
All I can say to other drillers about this technology is that it's fantastic, the safety is phenomenal, and it's very, very user-friendly. Driller's best friend.
It's to make sure that very much repetitive work is being done by machines. It's where we typically would put people in a line of fire, that we can actually pull the people out of the process, and that we also can work on the consistency of how the operations are done.
We've started using the automated system about 2.5 years ago. We started with the CADs. This was the tripping system, and in January 2023 we started using DA drilling, which is the auto connection and drill ahead. The system allows us to trip in the hole automatically and out automatically, and for the drilling, it does the drilling connections for you, and it can also construct the well as well.
We are freeing up the time of the driller. We're letting the driller who used to maybe having to do 30, 40, 50 different activities during a connection, he can now focus on the well control, he can focus on the position of his people.
The system allows you to focus a lot more on what's happening downhole, and you can view all the parameters. Now you're monitoring the equipment as it functions. You're not actually having to concentrate on operating it manually. It's all done for you. You know, the system is great.
When we're tripping, you get a better overall situational awareness. The machinery does most of the sequences for you, and you just, at different checkpoints, you make sure it's doing the correct thing. It allows me to assist the driller in tallies and other tasks we do while tripping in hole.
We are actively now working on reducing the exposure time in the red zone through technology. This is not to reduce in any way or form the people on the rig. It's about allowing them to work at a higher level from a more production perspective.
Everything is consistent. Everyone that has this system fitted on the rig of the similar series will all have the same consistencies. There shouldn't be any differences between the crews.
We can capture the best way to perform by any driller on any rig and embed that in the technology, allowing all drillers to benefit from it.
And as for the safety, you have all the safety factors that can be inputted in. For example, the hook load protection, pack-off protections, maximum flow rates. There's interlocks in the system so you can't open your IBOPs with the pump running, for example. Yeah, the safety has greatly improved. I get asked a lot about how you override the system, because everyone thinks that it's scary when you hear the word automation. In fact, it's the opposite. It's very easy. It's by one touch of the joystick or a touch of the screen, depending on the operation. The equipment will stop instantly. We have less paperwork now because we have the digital DOP, which is the drilling instructions, now right in front of you on a screen. And we can update the dopes as the well progresses. It's updated straight away.
The vision for this is, of course, that we will see even more automation in terms of where we still have checkpoints during the process. The technology and the speed of how we are embedding this technology is actually quite fantastic.
I'm looking forward to seeing where this technology takes us in the future. It's great working for a company that invests in all this innovation and technology. You know, who wouldn't want to work for a company that's investing in the best? This is the future.